So sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to sync up shapes and colors across different storyboards. So in order to do that, you can go around over here and then first of all, draw out a model. So I'm just going to go around and draw out a reference model right here. And let's say I want to fill it up with the color red right here. I'm going to go around onto fill and select out the color right here just like this. And then let's say I'm going to fill this out. I'm going to go around over here and fill it out with the color just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and create out a new storyboard right here just like this. So now I'm going to go around onto brush again and I'm going to select out a color and then draw around right here. And now what I'm going to do is change around the color just like this and then go around onto let's say for example the color can and then fill this out over here as well. So now let's say I want to use the exact shade of colors in different designs as well. And especially when you have a lot of designs, keeping that consistency can be a challenge if there's no proper tool. You can of course go around over here and then take the sampler tool and then take the sample colors from here. But if you want to have immediate access to the shape reference and the color, if you want to keep it as a reference, then you can use something called a model view, which keeps the models over here as a reference every time. So to do that, you have to access the model view by going on to Windows and by accessing model right here. And here you can see the model view right here, which I have kept right here. So you can go around and keep and drag this model view wherever you want. So you can go around, rearrange it out like this, as you can see right here, and work around with this over here as well. So this is the model view on the top, as you can see. Well, let me just go around and keep this over here on the side just like this and keep it just like this. So over here on the right side, you can see the model view right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this layer right here onto the model view, and you can see that it is here. So you can add in multiple models over here as well. So I'm going to go around and select out the other layer, click and drag this out over here, and there's the other model. So you can go around and switch back and forth between two models, as you can see right here. You can go back and forth right here, but this is always there as a reference. So now what you can do is you can go around and create out new storyboards right here, and you can take that as a reference. So you can take this as a reference and then you can go around and draw around over here. Let me just go around and color pick this. You can see that you have the exact green pick that once you do that. So I can go around and then take the brush tool and then just start drawing away. So there's the brush tool over here on the right side, as you can see. So let me just increase this in size and then just start drawing around over here. I'm going to go around over here and take the eyedropper tool and click around over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brush again and then I'm going to draw around just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can use the model view, and you can go back right here and take the eyedropper tool and take this as a sample right here and then draw around again, as you can see right here. And you can go around and take this as a sample over here as well and then draw this around again, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the model view inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.